The Toyota Corolla Cross facelift has made its debut over 3 years since the original made its global premiere in Thailand. The facelift will continue to feature 1.8-litre naturally aspirated petrol engine in conventional ICE form and also a part of hybrid powertrain. The base variant has 2ZR FBE 1.8-litre engine producing 140 brake horsepower and 177 Nm of torque, sending power to the front wheels through the Super CVT-i gearbox, while other three variants have 2ZR FXE 1.8-litre engine comprised of 98 horsepower and 142 Nm of combustion engine and 72 horsepower and 163 Nm of torque from the electric drive motor, power transmitted to the front wheels through the E-CVT gearbox. The interior is more airy with a panoramic glass ceiling and electric sunshades. New in the dashboard is a 12.3-inch full LCD dashboard and a central touchscreen increased in size to 10.1 inches that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The outdated foot-operated parking brake has been replaced by an electronic parking brake system located on the center console. Other small changes include the addition of 15-watt wireless charging, some USB ports in the front and rear seats changed to Type-C ports, interior lights changed to LED bulbs, and a switch to control the driver's side window has backlight. Toyota has also added a dash cam to the car. Toyota Corolla Cross 2024 is a facelift version with some aesthetic and equipment changes. It can be seen that the front of the car has been redesigned with a new LED headlight cluster called crystallized and sequential turn signals like Lexus. The multi-dimensional grille is the same color as the car's body and its half-open, half-closed shape is easily reminiscent of the Lexus RX. The front bumper has also changed, including two air intakes on both sides. The wheels are still 18 inches in size but have a two-tone scratched design. The HEV logo is added on the sides and rear. The LED taillights have also been made more beautiful. The body dimensions are 4,460 mm long, width 1,825 mm, height 1,620 mm, wheelbase length 2,640 mm, and ground clearance of 161 mm. Sales of the 2024 Toyota Corolla Cross have already started in Thailand. Pricing ranges from 999,000 baht